speakers are knowledgeable. Big, awesome community of people just helping everybody out. It's really amazing. Coming back again next year, no doubt.
So this is just an amazing event. I never would miss it. These are wonderful people. I've networked with people from all across the United States that have come in. We have a great forum where we can talk and help each other in Tax Rep Network. It is just an amazing group to be involved with. I would highly recommend joining. And don't miss the 2025 Tax Rep Network Conference next year.
After 25 years of attending conferences, this has been the best of all of them. Not only did I learn new content to help my practice, but it also showed me how to do it in a very practical and efficient way. Now I'm thinking, wow, if I did this 20 years ago, I wouldn't be doing just tax preps. I would be doing consultation and resolution analysis. It's been fantastic.
Here at the 4th Annual Summit in Orlando, I have learned so much information. The golden nuggets that come from the sessions would be helpful to anybody. And it's changed my whole thinking about how I'm marketing my business, how I'm running my business. And I just think that if you weren't here this year, you need to come next
year at the Tax Rep Summit. Actually, my second one, which it's hard to describe because I could say is awesome. That just wouldn't really describe the information, the networking, the contacts, the people that you get. It's such a wonderful event.
Just the people, meeting everybody in person, finally after all of these years of being online, the panelists, their knowledge, getting their knowledge and expertise, getting certain questions answered that I needed, complex questions answered. This has definitely been an amazing experience.
I want to tell you, these people here are like family. They are so wonderful. When you ask a question, they care. I have met some really awesome people down here. And I think that if you're interested in any way of becoming a representative for the IRS, not just an EA, yes, I have my EA, but this right here is going to change my world. And it's going to be because some of these people are actually treating me like family, and I would never want to stop being part of this.
What are the struggles they're having with their business? What are the solutions that they're looking for? And that has really helped me take a wider perspective on what I'm doing. Why do I do it? And so I have been in this business for, I don't have any idea, it's over 20 years. And I am having the best experience professionally that I have ever had.
Really picked up a lot of representation information, and definitely advise to anyone who's looking for a great conference and great information, come on down, make it to the next one.